Our topic for the greatest engineering achievement of the 21st century is Carbon3D's CLIP technology, which stands for Continuous Liquid Interface Production. This technology is currently revolutionizing the 3D printing world by increasing strength of 3D parts and decreasing production times. Our Gantt chart was used to make sure that we met our goals as a team on time, allowing us to maintain a positive workflow. As you can see, we set dates to achieve certain goals. For instance, we wanted our research to be complete by September 3rd, and the Gantt chart allowed our team members to easily observe when this deadline was approaching. The roles for our team were Kevin as the project coordinator, Jezzy as the climate coordinator, Jack on the abstract, Hailey researching how our topic benefits society, and I made sure that the Gantt chart was up to date.
So we chose Carbon3D as the greatest achievement of the 21st century because it answered these 4 criteria that we chose. Broad applications. The invention must be able to influence a broad range of markets. Improved quality of life. The invention must improve the quality of life for humanity. Uniqueness. The invention must stand out in such a way that makes it a groundbreaking idea. The ability to contribute to future quality of mankind. The invention should be so impactful that it ushers a new wave of human advancement. Carbon3D was founded in December of the year of 2013 in Redwood, California. They have 3 different printer models, though probably their most important one is the L1 printer, which is their most advanced printer allowing high volume production for designers and manufacturers. In the picture below is Joseph DeSimone, the CEO of Carbon3D, who was given the award, the National Medal of Technology and Innovation Award by Barack Obama in May 2016.
Continuous liquid interface production, also known as CLIP, is Carbon's new printing technique that combines common digital light synthesis techniques with oxygen permeable optics. What that means is CLIP is a controlled chemical reaction, allowing solid plastic to form in microseconds at micro lengths. CLIP technology allows for printed parts to be manufactured in one solid piece instead of multiple 2D layers printed on top of each other, similar to normal 3D printing uses. CLIP utilizes revolutionary technology. Carbon has introduced drastic achievements in most manufacturing industries in a couple ways. Firstly, with speed. Printers before Carbon were too slow and were only usable with material that was mainly plastic, meaning they could only use prototype printing. With CLIP 3D, they can now be used to produce products ready to sell in a fraction of the time. Secondly, with cost. Carbon3D allows designers to skip the prototyping stage and go straight into marketable products, saving companies time and money. And lastly, in range. The system allows for use of a wide variety of elastomers, polymers, plastics, and rubbers, thus increasing the range of materials that can be used for printing. For reference, the balls seen on screen would normally be printed in hours using a very cheap plastic. Now with Carbon3D, the printing can be done in minutes using a rubber material. Benefiting society. Carbon3D is revolutionizing manufacturing in our economy through CLIP technology, but is also bringing significant benefits to other societies through other means. With the advancement in manufacturing, Carbon has printed new innovations in other sectors and industries, including clothing, tools, and commerce. For example, with Adidas shoes, Adidas and Carbon3D combined together to create a new line of shoes called Futurecraft 4D. Together, they are developing the first mass production process that makes previously impossible midsole geometries with revolutionary 3D printable materials, paving the way for custom high-performance shoes that meet the unique needs of each customer. Similarly, in the dental lab, the dental industry uses 3D digital carbon printing to help create a better fit for dentures and retainers, but also help limit the use of multiple tools. It also decreased office visits by 40% due to save time on digital scans. It also created a 50% decrease in time needed for denture creation.
So as we were doing a research for how it benefits society, We saw hundreds of case studies, and it included a range of different things from stuff you use in daily lives to stuff we never even would have thought of use 3D printing. The first one was actually something going on right now, which is COVID testing. And the picture right here is actually 3D printed COVID testing swabs. So when the pandemic first started out, there was a shortage of testing kits. So they started to 3D print testing swabs because of how fast they were able to produce them. It really helped. And so they used a lattice structure with the 3D carbon material, which allowed for a more like comfortable and flexible material so that when the patient was being tested, it was more comfortable for them. And it also helped with getting more results out there faster. Another way is, which I found was really cool, was the National Hockey League teamed up with 3D carbon printing, and they use the same lattice structure and other examples, but they use it to create the frame of the helmet, which actually allows for a better fit and a more custom fit for each player, making it safer for players to use them. And it's actually approved for players to start using starting in the 2021 season.
So how does all of this, based on our criteria, make Carbon's new clip technology the greatest achievement of the 21st century? To begin with, Carbon3D is extremely versatile. A wide range of materials means it can influence a wide range of markets, saving time and money in any manufacturing company who uses the printers. And secondly, with improvements in both the medical and sports field, Carbon has brought improved quality for humanity than what we previously could have produced. And in its own way, Carbon is very unique because it's in a market of its own. By forming a direct path from digital design to manufacturing, Carbon's printers are the only printers used for creating final products. Normal 3D printers are only used for prototyping, but Carbon goes the extra mile with a wide range of materials, allowing for designers to print market-ready designs at mass scale. And finally, the ability to contribute to future development of mankind, which I believe to be the most important criteria. Carbon's innovations to 3D printing with their introduction of clip technology will transform the industry, propelling printing from just basic prototyping to 3D manufacturing. It brings the promise of 3D printing to life, launching all businesses forward, making it the greatest invention of the 21st century.